It's another hot one in Provo at the high maintenance hangar. Fans are running. People are wiping their brows. Jan's been working his butt off. He's been creating these protection panels. If you look close here, down inside here are all the control cables to control the airplane. And like I said on last week's video, it would be a real bad thing if kids or animals or whoever were able to get in here and stick their fingers in it. So like I say, Jan's been creating these panels. That's another step along the way to getting this warbird in the air. We got a care package in the mail. Let's see what we got. Dave and Bob are going to do the honors. Don't cut yourself with that, Dave.
Or you cut your finger off with it.
No kidding. This package came in from a friend of the channel named Kent. Lots of packing.
There's not even pretty.
Well, there you go. Well, look at this.
There's an ELT and there's all the stuff that goes with it.
Oh, fantastic. That's tremendous. Oh, and a remote.
Good day, Hangar 40.
Yeah, it is. Too cool. So not only did we get the ELT and a rack, looks like we got a brand new battery. Is that the rack or is I think that's the battery. Yeah, I'm sure that's the battery.
Yep.
Brand spanking new. The ELT is as removed. We also got a remote switch. I like that. I like that better than the ones I'm used to.
Thanks, Kent. This is great. This will help us out a lot.
This is something we've been wanting to get for a while. And now all we got to do is get Bob to install it.
Get right on it.
I got a video from one of our viewers, and it's really funny. Apparently his dog likes our channel. Watch this. So I at least have one fan. Speaking of fans, I asked a question a few weeks ago about who dropped me a note on where you're watching my channel from. And I'm sorry, Neville. England is not the furthest one away, but I do appreciate you watching our channel, as I do all of our viewers. But the furthest viewer that I could find was in Victoria, Australia. Anyway, and speaking of fans, when we were in Oshkosh, I had said, if you recognize me, come slap me upside the head and let me know that you're one of my subscribers. And that happened several times. One time it was just a couple that we were in one of the shops, and the lady was, my husband and I watch you every Sunday, and she was very happy. And the one that was particularly funny was another couple when I was standing out in front of Ty Ramey's airplane, Hell's Bells. I heard this voice from behind me and says, I know that voice. My husband watches you every Sunday. So it was so fun meeting some of you folks. Um, and I feel really illiterate not getting you guys on film just to just say it happened. And again, thanks to all our viewers for watching our channel. I know this is a really short video. I've been under the weather this week, so many of you know that I've been friends with the guys that are restoring the Hollywood Bomber down at the Vintage Flying Museum. Well, yesterday was the swan song for the people that have been working diligently on that airplane for going on 4 years. And Bill, the manager, has decided to walk away, and him and his crew have spent many thousands of hours breathing life back into this bomber. I'm going to leave a link in the description to talk about that situation. Anyway, well, listen, hopefully next week's video will be better. Thanks for watching our videos, and we'll see you next time.
What are we going to do here?
We're going to film the box opening. Hey,
Who's going to open it?
you and Bob
Together?
together.